did a little bit of unboxing already, but this is the new switch pod for my Jeep from S-Tech Switch Systems up in Colorado. And like the tag says, made in America. The quality of this box is awesome. It exceeded my expectations. Everything is tight, secure. The wiring is great. The switches have a really good tactile feel to it. Sorry. The coating on it is really easy to manipulate. It doesn't feel like there's going to be a lot of slipping when you're trying to put your fingers on these switches. And this is the nice USB adapter with the center section right here being a power readout. So that's a nice option that they give you to add to your pod if you need to. This switch right here on the end is just going to be empty until I figure out something else that I'm going to put in there. I'm probably sure I'll order something to connect to there. I just don't have anything yet. So the kit comes with this neat little notebook that they give you with your order. Figure out some use for it. The relay box, control box, the wiring, the bracket adapter to mount it in your engine bay, solid. And down here we have the circuit breaker, which is a nice little safety device to install in your system. Everything is quality. It's got a really good heft and feel to it. The installation on the wiring is really nice. Heavy duty wiring. The connectors are all really solid. Looks like it's going to be a good piece to install once I get the Jeep back. So, S-Tech, thanks for the hookup. Thanks for the great fast shipping and military discount. Stay tuned for the install.